What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Windows encountered a problem installing the driver software error you are getting while updating your operating system. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, if your drivers are causing the problem, a simple update might do the trick. Use the Windows key and X shortcut to open the Quick Access menu. Choose Device Manager and expand your display adapters. From here, right-click your main display adapter and select Update Driver. Select to search automatically for updated driver software, which should only take a couple of seconds to make sure your display adapter driver is up to date. Next, you should make use of Windows Troubleshooters. Open up your Windows settings. On this window, navigate to System, Troubleshoot, and from here select Other Troubleshooters. Make sure to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will take a moment to diagnose and fix potential driver and operating system update issues. If the driver software error persists, it might be because of malware on your system. Search for Windows Security in your Start menu search to open the Virus and Threat Protection window. Click on Scan Options and opt for Full Scan. Hit Scan Now and follow the prompts. This may take a while, so just minimize the window and resume your work. Keeping Windows up to date is your ticket to overcoming a plethora of problems, including this error. Head back to your Windows settings. From here, navigate to Windows Update and select Check for Updates. Download any update that might be available to you and proceed to restart your PC once the update is downloaded. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.